Nowadays we are going to discuss about the interfaces in object-oriented programming. So the interface allow you to specify a list of methods that a class must implement it. To define an interface, we use the keyword interface. How? I'm going to die this script so you can easily get the code. Now I'm saying I have interface. So as you can see, this is the keyword of interface. Write your interface name. I'm saying I interface, I interface, and the curly braces. Okay, now I'm saying public function my method 1, and now I'm saying public function my method 2. Go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, it's working fine. Now how to implement this interface? I'm saying that I have another class. Sorry, this is the class. I'm saying this is my class which implements this interface. Okay, now I'm saying public function my method 1. Okay, now I'm saying public function my method 2. Okay, now as you can see, if I'm saying echo working and I'm saying echo working 2, now go to the page, refresh the page, fine. And now I have to create the new instance to access the methods. I'm saying new my class. I have just created the instance. Now I'm saying this is obj, that means object. Now I'm saying method 1. Go to the page, refresh the page, it's saying working. If I'm saying 2, go to the page, refresh the page, it's saying working 2. So in this way you can create the interface. These are the interface if you are implementing only one method. Now go to the page, refresh the page, it will give you the error. It's saying my class contain one abstract method and must therefore be declared abstract or implemented. For suppose if you have two methods, now it's fine. Now if you have 3 methods in the interface, public function my method 3, my method 3. Now go to the page, refresh the page, it will give you the error because you have to implement all of these interfaces. Now if I'm saying public function my method, or if I'm saying my method 3, that means I have to implement this 3 method. Public, so as you can see, it's saying public function method. If I'm saying public function my method 3, so as you can see, it's saying implement me. If I'm saying that working 3, go to the page, refresh the page, it's fine. Now I have to create the instance of the class. I will assign this instance to my obj, and now I have to access obj. I'm saying method 3. Save the file, go to the page, refresh the page, it's saying working 3. So a class cannot implement. If you have 3 interface, you cannot implement 2 interface. You have to implement all the interfaces you have in the interface class. Okay, you can also use XYZ and whatever you want to have. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. In our next lecture we are going to cover some other topics. So thank you for watching.